And now, Precision 18 Forecast, News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, temperatures running in the 40s, actually some low 50s today. It's 48 at Morocco, 49 at Flora, and we're holding at 47 at Newmarket down there at the Crawfordsville Airport and at the weather station just north of Crawfordsville, where it's 47 degrees. Still windy, though. Winds gusting more than 40 miles an hour in places last night, and we've had gusts exceeding 30 miles an hour this afternoon. So it's made it feel a little cooler than what the actual air temperature is. But some of these high clouds are on the increase, and this is the system that'll move eastward that'll bring some rain and snow and all snow for a while tomorrow. And then getting into next week, we're going to transition from wintry weather to spring weather as this big system, this big bowling ball out in California moves northeast, and it will warm up, and we're looking at multiple waves of showers and even some storms with a severe weather risk. Increasing clouds through the evening, 37 as winds diminish, 37 by 11 o'clock that is. And an overnight low right around 32 degrees. We become cloudy late with a very light northeast wind with lows generally in the low 30s, about 31 to about 34 degrees. Now tomorrow, some areas of wet snow begin to come in the morning, 36 at 9 o'clock. And then for a while, a good chunk of the area may go to all snow, but then we may kind of transition back to a mix of rain and snow with a very light east-northeast wind and temperatures kind of hanging out in the 30s. 36 to 40 will do it for the viewing area tomorrow with a 39 at Flora, 38 Monticello, and about 38 at Williamsport. Sunday's nice and bright. Wind chill of 22 in the morning, though, with a temperature of 30, but a high of 45. Not a bad day, with highs generally 44 to 48 doing it viewing area wide. On 18 PRECISIONCAST, again, we cloud up tonight. This is 10:30 in the morning. This is some wet snow coming in, and then for a while we may go to pretty heavy wet snow. But watch what happens in the afternoon. We kind of go back and forth. Some areas it's snowing, some areas it's raining a little, some areas it's a mix of rain and snow, and then we may end as all snow during the evening. Then we clear it out. Watch for a patch or two of black ice early Sunday morning as any moisture freezes on roadways as temperatures drop into the upper 20s. And then after all that sunshine Sunday, clouds begin to increase on Monday. In terms of snowfall, I want you to notice this band of heavier snow from Iowa through central Illinois. For us, it looks like an inch or less on grassy and elevated surfaces, but there is going to be a band of more than an inch and a half of snow. And where does that set up? Is it here? Is it here? Is it in our viewing area? Is it in our southern counties? That's the main question. But be aware there will be some brief grassy accumulation. And then some showers come in Monday evening, Monday night, and into early Tuesday morning. Then a break, and then more rain coming in next week with even some storms. And we may have to talk about some severe weather risk by Thursday. Watch this. This is our SEVERECAST. You see the gray here? That indicates the risk of some severe weather. And then by Friday, it starts to amp up a little bit. So that'll bear watching later next week. We go from some wet snow to the potential of some severe thunderstorms. You can see that with the warm-up, too. 66 on Thursday. A lot of the area may not drop below 60 Thursday night, then a 72 with showers and storms Friday. But notice the low Friday night at 37. Much colder next weekend. We may have highs only in the 40s after that 72 Friday.
Yeah, and I texted you last night about the tree frogs. They were happy.
They were
night.
loud, yeah.
Yeah, they were. Thanks, Chad.
Yeah.
All right, continuing our look.